Hello, this is Rick. I'm back. I'm getting ready to finish up stripping glassware. Okay, we're going to do this cup next. That gold band. Good. Get it out here in the sunlight. Yeah, looks like you can see the gold band on that. It's fixing to disappear. Gently swirl it around in there and watch the gold disappear. No more gold. Completely dissolved, taken into solution. That cup is done. It can be rinsed off now, and of course the rinsed water shall be saved, because every bit of the solution that's left on this has got gold in it. We've got a bunch of dishes behind me with dissolved gold on it. Oh, gold-plated fingers, huh? Gold finger, James Bond thing, right? Anyway, put this cup in here if possible. It's not going to cooperate all that well, but I shall get it nonetheless. This is not my general stripping container. I'm just using it because I can manage it out here in the sunlight. And it seems like it's going to work pretty good anyway. Not stripping as fast or as hot as I want it to, so we'll spin around over here. There is no exact formula on this. It doesn't really matter. You don't want to go overboard with it, which I just about did right there with that much bleach put in it, but it won't matter. The gold can still be recovered from it. This makes it super hot when you do that. See how fast it just ripped the gold off? Just that quick when you got it that hot. Not even shining cam at what I'm doing. I'm sitting here one-handed trying to do my thing and film at the same time and not actually getting the job done correctly. Well, there we go. Now the cup's inside there. Figure out some way to have the camera aimed at it in the sunlight so you can actually see it doing its job. But every bit of the gold that's on here, that's actually gold and not paint, is fixing to be removed. Seriously. For real. The only logo that should be left on this cup is anything that was not gold when I am done. And be ultra careful. I am working with glass out here on a concrete rock. You know, what the heck. One slip up and I could lose all my gold. Would tend to make me upset too. Don't want to lose it. Okay, gently pull this up and out and inspect it. I don't see any remnants of anything gold on it anywhere. Maybe a slight hint of logo up there towards the top. But straight up, almost every bit of this is stripped off. Set it back into solution. Swirl it around. Yeah. little spot right there in the ground. It's in the shadows, bubbling. That's what you don't want to do. Spill in your solution. This does produce fumes, but as long as the solution is reasonably cold, you can get away with it without it being super heavy, fumy, and gassing you out with chlorine. The colder your solutions are, the better off you are. The colder they are, the less chlorine is evolved from the solution and the more is kept within it. Which is all good too, because it's your chlorine that's your oxidizer. It's your chlorine that's actually causing the gold to be converted into a form that can be dissolved into the muriatic acid. So you want that. And if it's hot, the chlorine can't stay in the solution. It will definitely evolve off as gas and will gas you quick. So I do suggest that you keep them stored in the fridge or in a shed or something like that and mix your solutions cold. Whereas most solutions for dissolving gold, you want them to be hot. And with this one, you absolutely do want them to be cold because heat is the enemy. At this point here with the solution, you actually have to heat it up and drive off the chlorine. And after the chlorine is dissolved and driven off out of it, you're left with nothing but a hydrochloric acid solution with gold within it, Auric chloride. And to that you add sodium metabisulfite or potassium metabisulfite, and it drops the gold out of this solution as a brown powder. And then you let it settle, decant off most of the solution, then filter off your precipitate and melt it with borax. Or you do like I'm doing, and you run it through a fire assay procedure, and you turn it into a nice little gold bead. Anyway, I'm getting right again about another 7.5 minutes. And I'm about ready to end this video and go load it up for everyone to watch. And guys, I can stop it right about here. Anyway, thanks again for watching.